We don't have a society if we destroy the environment. Environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. If you cut down a forest, it doesn't matter how many sawmills you have if there are no more trees.
Thank God man cannot fly and lay waste the sky as well as the earth. The future will either be green or not at all. Try to leave the earth a better place than when you arrived. If you can't be in awe of Mother Nature, there's something wrong with you. The environment is everything that isn't me. Sadly, it's much easier to create a desert than a forest. We don't have to sacrifice a strong economy for a healthy environment. I can find God in nature, in animals, in birds and the environment. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find to attached to everything else in the universe. Climate change is a terrible problem and it absolutely needs to be solved. It deserves to be a huge priority.